In this video, you'll see just how easy it is to install our antimicrobial protected film. Be sure to start with a clean, dry surface. To install Silver Defender onto a railing, first unroll the 4-inch tape to your desired length. Locate the nearest perforated edge, fold, and tear. Next, remove the topmost liner and adhere to the lower half of the railing. Remove the middle liner and adhere. Last, remove the remaining liner and adhere. Be sure to press the film hard against the surface to activate a long-lasting bond. You've just installed an antimicrobial protected film that lasts for up to 90 days. To remove, start at the corner. Tear away any remaining film and dispose.